Greetings once more, colleagues. Once you are now done pasting your SQL formatted query, it is now saved within your database that you want to query PESQL. You now simply just run the query, and once you run the query, you now get to be able to bring out this information out of the related tables. Now what we basically did is we ran a query that is now going to inquire the dates in regards to term 3 and their subject. Now once you do a drop down here, let me get a much bigger view. Once you do a drop down here, what you are getting is the dates of the activities which are within the database. Now in this query, you can simply click off all the other date which come after the school reopening. In my case, the starting period says the 12th of August. So now everything that comes after the 12th of August is covered in terms of falling within the range for term 3. So I'm going to select everything that is not falling within the range for term 3 and then say OK. Now it shows me that in terms of tasks which are having activities within them, I only have life skill grade R, life skill grade R, and then I also have social science grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, and technology grade 7, so forth and so forth. Now this is a database which is for Mutetema. So now I can quickly say, okay, if this is the life skills for grade R, can I quickly hop into the database and see that I have such a subject that is indicating that it was written on the 30th of 07. Now you can choose any of this. Now I'm going to quickly, whilst you're still here, jump into the database and say talk to me database. In grade R, life skills, do I have anything that says that life skills as we have it here, colleagues? I see the 24th of 07. There you are. Edit you. Now there it is, colleagues. Now the 24th of 07, as you can see, what we saw in there, we saw the 24th and the 30th. These are the two, the visual arts and the performing arts, which fall within this date. So now at second level, you can simply instruct the school to say go change it, then they will change it. Then once they have changed it, for example, let's change it. Once they have changed it, it will now fall within the correct date. Let's say we wrote it on the 25th of August. 25th of August. Then also up here is the, pardon me, let's save it because the weights are 50-50, the marks are 50-50. Then 25th of August. Well, let's say we are performing arts and visual arts. That is what the skill we would like to provide for this particular learners. Then we are done in there. Now let's get back into our backend and see. Now remember, we queried before, it gave us those dates. Now as we return into this side, now we get to find that the 25th of August is now updated. So if we say query again, we no longer have the 30th of that particular month. So those ones are updated, but that is how you do it for a school in terms of checking, if you are checking tasks which are also having activities within them. What about the tasks which are not having activities within them? How can we see those? You simply run the other query that came with the messages I would have sent to you in word text. Now this is it, the other query where you can view tasks which are not having activities within them and update them. Now once you drop down here, in my case I have the 29th and the 24th, the 17th and the rest, they are moving forward. So you simply say okay. Now once you say okay, it displays for me I have these grades, grade 1 up until grade 7, they are all having the 24 in terms of term 3 for life skill and all about. So let's just pick any random one. So let me just say I want to now update English isiZulu, pardon me, isiZulu, in terms of what is being queried here. So I can simply say filter by this isiZulu, because I want to fix isiZulu grade 6 and see if it's working. Now isiZulu, there you have it, it's oral, it's not having any activities with it. Let me get in there and find if we have isiZulu on the 24th in terms of grade 6. Now we quickly rush there and get in there and say grade 6. Then we say isiZulu. Now in this isiZulu, what we are basically going to do is we are going to find, here is our isiZulu. Once we say edit, we say yes. You see isiZulu is not having any activities. Then we simply what were we testing the learners? We were testing them, whatever this is izinhlobo, yes, that. Then the date, we wrote it, let's write it on the 15th of September. Save, say okay, done. We wait it, we say yes, we save and validate, we say yes. Now we did it on the 24th, colleagues. Let's quickly get back into the background of it and see what is there. Now we see it is now updated. So if you simply say toggle back to how it was and look back what we have reduced isiZulu in terms of grade 6 for subjects which fell within subjects that are outside of range. As you can see, we now have 4, 5 and 7. So this is a quick way to check if content is outside of range. Now in the next video, I'm just gonna start off by showing you how to use this query as an update query, so you don't do them one by one. All right, thank you, colleagues.